So you might be in a situation where your AirTag is basically going through and it's telling you that it's searching for a signal, but it's not going through and actually showing where that AirTag is or that it's still continuously like searching. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, if your searching for signal thing is still coming up and your AirTag is actually kind of nearby, it sometimes can take a little bit of time for that AirTag to basically show up. So I've been in a couple situations where the AirTag that I'm looking for, I have to continuously kind of look for it. I have to kind of like try to find it, and it just takes a little bit of time. So kind of keep that in mind. That can just be one of those things you're just going to have to kind of, keep that in mind. It's not a big deal, but if it still tells you like it's searching for a signal, something like this, then you're basically just going to have to continuously wait. That's kind of the best thing to do it. You can also try going through and moving your phone around. So take your phone, try moving it around in like different areas and different places. Sometimes for that AirTag that you have, you may be in a situation where that AirTag might actually be, across the street or might be behind a building or behind a wall. Sometimes it has some trickiness, of trying to find that particular thing I've noticed. So if that AirTag is behind a wall, that can also be another situation that you might run into. You can also try going through and try restarting your phone. So hold down your volume up button and your power button, slide the power off, give it a few moments, allow your phone to power back on. You want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. Once again, chances are that might end up fixing it. That's another thing you might have to do as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.